Hi and Assalamualaikum to Senajibu and my fellow friend. My name is Ayu Atira binti Nasrul. My metric number is C280943. Today we want to present about the hour witches. First of all, we from group 2 and our group member is Nur Hamizah binti Yaakob, Ayu Atira binti Nasrul and Nur Balkis binti Cik Gani. The artist hour we choose is Bayu Utomi Rajikin and the title for the hour is Bujang Berani. The type of media artist using is metal and plaster of Paris. Next, this hour made in 1991. Last but not least, the exit size of the hour is 100 cm by 97 cm by 55 cm. The Bujang Berani is a 3D structure that is an assembly structure constructed from a combination from vibrant material. The stage looks like a human figure, depicting the leader of a Dayak warrior. The picture depicts the scream of a fighter. Next, a picture of a face construct of plaster of Paris or clay. Next, the hair is made of piece of metal and wire, while its body consists of machined part and cast iron. Next, the element of the word. First, line of vibrant size and repetitive direction on the hair. Second, the look and body look strongly constructed from welding iron as if it were a protective or shell economical use. Third, the technique using as the welding method, connection technique. Fourth, the style using as to combination the compatibility of material and technique as well as the application of art element and design possible to show the work is a dynamic structure. Next, line is line in an artwork. Line of vibrant size and repetitive direction on the hair and body part look harmonious. Besides that, color, the use of original and economic color. Example, the color of iron and salt.
Hi, my name is Nur Hamizah binti Muhammad Yaakob. My matrix number is C20A6123. So next is space. Space exists between the piece of metal and the braided wire. Next is light. The light of the lamp shining towards the figure reveals the state of the design of the figure who is looking up and screaming while wearing the formal attire of a warrior. So, next is shape. The look and shape of the body looks strongly constructed of welded iron as if as a protector and shield. The income of the shape on the hero's face showing the direction of the figure holding back the pain of something. The face also looks like someone is screaming, expressing all that is hidden in the heart. Other than that is principle of composition. A variety of symmetrical shape between the two sides of the left and right body of the warrior figures. The shape and condition of the figures, the repetition of the lines applied to the hair shows appropriateness as well as make the appearance of the figure seem real. Next is identify the points of focus of the works. The main focus of this work is on the facial reaction of a figure who looks like he is screaming to describe the scream of a Dayak warrior who is defending their area which is being neglected. The next slide is theme in the work. So the theme is the leader of the Dayak heroes. So purpose of the work is the message this work wanted to convey was about Logi, which causes the chief of the Dayaks to be angry because their area had been invaded and destroyed. Development for the Dayak is a threat to life as they do not need modernization.
My name is Nur Balkis binti Cik Gani. My matric number is C20A1233. My reaction to the word is it could be seen that the author wanted to convey a strong spirit of heroes to the audience. Next, the production of the material used also make the figure more interesting to see and study because despite using waste materials, but the results are very proud. Next is my interpretation with example. This word would like to convey that 1. Message or meaning either expressed or implied. Second, logging causes the chiefs of the Dayak to be angry because their area has been invaded or destroyed. Third, development is a traditional threat to their life as the Dayak do not need modernization. Fourth, Dayak head is a symbol of the care and status heritage through generation. I decided the work is successful because this work managed to convey the message that this artist has reached, which is about the history of the Dayaks leader who are angry because the area where they are being invaded is because of outsiders who are deforesting in their area. The conformability of material and technician, as well as the application of art element and design principles, make this work of Bayu Utomo Redikin a dynamic sculpture. How I are judging the work is in terms of the inscription. The work is produced in the form of the figura of a valiant hero. This is based on the shirt and their jewels on the head of the figura. The reaction to the figura's face show like it's holding back the pain of something. Mimic the face also looks like someone is shouting out all that is hidden in her. In terms of the analysis, the work was produced very carefully to create structure on the face such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. The work used many elements of art such as braids and lines. On each corner of this statue, many show lines of line to make clear affirmation. In addition to the center part of the statue, it also used the element of the appearance that are made and combined to produce desired shape. I consider this work a success because the audience is able to understand the meaning conveyed by the artist about hero struggle. In addition, the form and movement that are combined make the work seems real and have a message. Further, in the screaming like reaction produced on the face to the figures make the audience better understand the condition of the figures who is patiently fighting for right.
That's all from us. Thank you.